friends, you're welcome back to class. Okay, this is another edition of how to convert your fractions to decimal and decimals to fraction, okay, in its reduced form, that means to its lowest form. Alright, good morning friends, my name is Faith Uhulu, your online tutor for today. Now let's dive right into it. The first question says what? Change this to fraction reduced to its lowest term. Okay, now if you remember in our previous class, I taught how to convert your decimals to fraction, right? And when we have 3 digits after the decimal, it means what? You're going to divide the number after the digit, after the decimal, by 1000. And if you have 2 digits after the decimal, it means you're going to divide by what? 100. And if it's 1 digit after the decimal, you're going to divide by 10. So let's solve these questions together. Solution. .158. So we want to convert this to what? Fraction in its reduced form. This simply means what? 1 over 10 plus 5 over 100 plus 8 over 1000. Right? Now if we are to reduce this, we're going to take the highest number here as our LCM. Okay? And 1000 divided by 10 give us what? 100 plus 1000 divided by 100 will give us what? 10 times 5, that's 50. 1000 divided by 1000 is 1, and 1 times 8 equals 8. So this means what? 158 over 1000, right? And if we are to reduce this fraction, we can use what? 2 to divide it. So this becomes 2 in 15 gives us what? 7, remainder 1. 2 in 2 in 18 is 9. 2 in 10 is 5. And in zeros you have 500. Therefore our answer equals what? 79 over 500 in its reduced form. This is the highest we can go in its lowest form because there is no other number to divide both the numerator and the denominator. Now let's get to the next question. The B part of the question says 7.82. This simply means that we have 7 wholes and some fraction, right? That's 7 plus 8 over 100 plus 8 over 10 plus 2 over 100. Now this equals what? 7 plus 100 divided by 10 gives us what? 10. 10 times 8 is 80. Plus 100 divided by 100 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Now this is 7 wholes, 82 over 100. But it can be reduced to its lowest term, right? We're going to use 2 to divide this. 2 in 82 will give us what? 41. And 2 in 100 will give us 50. Therefore, our answer is 7 wholes, 41 over 50. And that's our final answer. We can't go further than this because we don't have any other number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator evenly. The C part says 0.48. Here, instead of going through this long process, we can just say what? 48 over 100. And then we reduce the fraction. 2 here will give us what? 24. And 2 here will give us what? 50. We can still divide this fraction by 2, right? 2 in 24 will give us 12. And 2 in 50 will give us what? 25. Therefore, 0.48 equals what? Or is equivalent to 12 over 25. And this is the final answer. Okay, I hope this helps you solve questions that has to do with what? Fractions and decimals. Please do well to like, comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to what? Subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.